Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another video, and I'm starting up a series that I kind of ended about a year ago. Actually, a little bit more than a year ago. About a year and a half ago was the last time I actually made another episode to the series, and that is the budget tech unboxing series. And that's partly because I haven't really gotten a lot of tech products into review at one time. But now I have. So I have about 4 different products here, each from 2 separate companies that decided to send their products out to me for either the purposes of this video or some future review that I'm going to be working on. So, like the name implies, all the products in today's video are fairly budget friendly. They are on the budget side of the spectrum. Now, this video is not going to be a review. I'm not going to be reviewing any of these products, but I will be talking about them a little bit, really giving my first impressions of what I think of the products right when I take them out of the box. So without any further delay, let's get right into the first product. Now, I'm not really quite sure which products are in which bag or box because I know what products I'm getting, I just don't know which packages they are in, so it'll be a surprise. Now, I may not need my scissors for this one because it's in an Amazon bag. But yeah, here we go. This is the NuiCam 360. Full HD, pan tilt control, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud and store. You can store the videos either on an SD card or on the cloud, and it has night vision. Yeah, so pretty cool security camera, and we're gonna open it up right now. Now on Amazon, I've actually been sent 2 of these, 2 different versions. One is marketed as a security camera, and one is marketed as like a baby cam for like if your child is younger and you want to watch them, but they obviously can both be used as a security camera. Some just instructions there. Now let's take it out of the box. In a little bag here. You can see that there is a film there for the lens. Wow. Now, I'm not exactly sure if this is waterproof, so it can actually be used outside, but obviously you can stick it inside, poking out a window, and it'll work the same way. So yeah, pretty cool security camera. I may be doing a video on this or featuring in this product in future videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's move on to the next product. Now, I will try to link all of the products in today's video down below so that you guys can buy them. I'll also put the prices down there because all of these products should be below $100, and some of them are even less than that, as you'll see. So yeah, let's get into this box right here. And there's actually 2 in here. Very surprising. I was not expecting 2 mouse bungees. These are from a company called Hominize. This is the Hominize mouse bungee, and I'm obviously not going to open both of these because They seem to be exactly the same product, so I'll just open one. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the second one, but hint, maybe giveaway, maybe, who knows, never know. And yeah, let's pop this open. So if you don't know what a mouse bungee is, it's essentially just a bungee that holds up your mouse cable and allows you to have more freedom when you're gaming. And if you saw my previous review on the Cooler Master MM710, you will know that I'll definitely get good use out of this mouse bungee, because the cable on that, it's very, very light, but it tends to tug on the mouse when you're using it, which I don't really like, and the mouse bungee will completely take care of that. And so yeah, here is the mouse bungee. Let's take it out of the wrapping. Has the Harmonize branding, and yeah. So essentially what happens is you put the mouse cord through there and it comes up and over, and then this allows for a lot of movement when you're gaming. It's also very heavy because you don't want it moving around on your desk, and it has grippy feet here on the bottom, which is pretty cool. So yeah, with the Harmonized mouse bungee out of the way, let's move on to the two other packages that we have. Yeah, I mean, I was very surprised to actually get two of those, so big shout out to Harmonize for actually sending two of them out, which I was not expecting at all. Okay, so this is another product from Nui. This is the outdoor security camera, so I believe this one can go outdoors. It has very similar specs to the other indoor security cam that I just unboxed. Motion detection, night vision, you can store the files locally or on the cloud. It's waterproof, which the other one was not. Has two-way audio, which is pretty cool. You can talk to the intruder, or let's say a delivery person who's not quite sure where to set the package. And it's also full HD. So yeah, without further ado, let's crack into this. There we go. Nui Cam Outdoor. Now, personally, I've been very impressed with the branding so far, because for a lot of companies that solely sell on Amazon, you don't really expect this clean of branding. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It has the Nui, has their logo on the back. Very, very impressed with the branding so far. So let's take the security cam out of the box. And this one has an attached cable. The other one had a micro USB cable that just plugged into the back. This one has a USB cable that's pretty long. It looks like a waterproof cable, and it also comes with some mounting screws, so you can mount this on the side of your house or wherever you want your security camera to be. Now we take the film off. Now this product does have quite a few differences from the previous Nui product, other than the fact that it's waterproof, and this one can go outdoors. The other one is able to be controlled using the app, so it can move around. This security camera cannot. It's just going to be fixed, but it does have quite a wide field of view. So depending on where you're going to be putting this, just keep that in mind. You cannot move it around. We are going to be moving on to our final product of the day. And that is yet again another mouse bungee. I know. Mouse bungees are very popular today. This is one from Stag Geek, and this is their version of the mouse bungee. Comment down below which one you like better. Obviously, they each have their strengths and weaknesses, and depending on how much I like Each of them, they may show up in a future video. But so far, I've been very impressed with each. Okay, so this one is slightly different. Is that adhesive? Yes, there is adhesive on the bottom of this. So, it will stick wherever you put it on your desk. And similarly to the other mouse bungee, the cord goes up through here over the top, and it allows you to have a lot of movement with your mouse while you're gaming without feeling tied down by the limitations of having a wired mouse. So yeah, pretty cool. That's all the products for today's budget tech unboxing. This has actually been episode 4. So if you like the series, then drop a comment down below, like the video, and also subscribe if you aren't already. And as I said before, if you want to check out any of the products in today's episode, you can find them down below along with all the prices. And big thanks to all the companies who made this video possible, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.